Hi everyone, my name is Havish Madhupati. Welcome to video number 12 in a series of 100 videos where I teach you how to recreate a consulting chart on Microsoft Excel. What we have with us today is a McKinsey chart, which is a tree map, and let me show you how we can make the same chart on Excel as well. So I've taken a snapshot of the same chart, and on the left there are 17 products that we have along with the corresponding sales value. But before I make a tree map, I would also like to make it dynamic, which means we want to let the user decide how many values they want to choose. If they want to see all the 17, they can. Or if they want to only highlight, let's say, the top 3 or the top 5, that would also be possible. So let me first copy the heading. Now we say take, and from the entire list of 17 products, the names and the sales value, we want to take a certain number of rows. So let us say we are choosing the cell H4. Now in the cell H4, we can make a data validation, and in this we will write any value and change that to a list, and in the source we can say 3, 5, 10, 15 and 70. Let us call this choose, change the color, and as you can see, the user is now able to choose any number from the list that we have provided, which means that if we choose 3 or 5, the list in column E and F changes as well. Excellent. Now we can select this data, go to insert, select a chart, and in all charts we will select the tree map. As you can see, we get the tree map like this. Now this is interesting because we are using an array formula in Excel, which is the take that we have used. So even though when we made the chart, we only selected these 6 rows and 2 columns, Excel is now smart enough, which means that if I do change my number 5 to 3, you notice the chart changes. And if we increase it to 10, then the chart changes as well. We also want to add the data label. So we click on plus, and in data label, we select more data label options. By default, this only shows us the name of the product, but I would also like to show the value. And you can also decide if you want the value to come separated with a comma, or maybe on a new line. So I prefer this one in this case. We can also increase the size a little bit. And there we go. We have a tree map on Excel. So one more time, if I want to see all the 17, we can, but we also have the option of changing it to, let's say, the top 5 or the top 3.